Hi folks, welcome back to Meta Box tutorials. Continuing the series on creating a pricing page, today we'll be covering how to do it using the combination of Meta Box and Elementor in detail. We have had tutorials about how to create dynamic landing pages, including a pricing section and other information. In some cases, you can also separate the pricing table into a dedicated page like this. It's built by Elementor. All the information such as the plan, pricing, description, features, and button will be saved in custom fields created with Meta Box. So, the data will be dynamic. Before going ahead, let's check some tools we need in this practice. First, we need Elementor and its Pro version to build the page. Next, Meta Box All-in-One to have a framework to create custom fields for plan information, as well as some advanced features from Meta Box extensions. These are extensions we use in this practice. MB Builder to have a UI in the backend to create custom fields visually. MB Group to organize custom fields into robust and intense groups, and Meta Box Elementor Integrator to get data from Meta Box's custom fields using dynamic tags of Elementor. Now, let's start. We'll display the pricing table on a new page, so we need to create it first. Simply go to Pages and create a new one. For the page content, we'll add it through custom fields created with Meta Box. I use custom fields to store the plan information to have dynamic and flexible content for the page. Each plan is a group. As you can see, they have the same layout with name, price, description, features, and buttons. Just the content is different, so we'll use the clonable feature for them. Go to Meta Box, Custom Fields, and create a new field group. First, add a group field for the plan. Inside this group, add some subfields following the layout of content you want for your own plan. For the features, I also use a group for easier management. For this subgroup setting, I set it as collapsible, then name each item. Here, I set it based on the order. Each plan has more than one feature, so this group should be clonable. With this setting, we'll have a button to add more than one like this. In the case that you want to display other information, just add the respective field types. For the group of the plan, we set it as collapsible as well. The name of each group can be based on the order number and plan title for distinguishing. A product usually has several packages for diverse options for buyers. Thus, I enable the clonable option to add more than one plan. After that, move to the Settings tab, set the location as Post Type, and select Page. To apply the fields to the specific page you want, click on the Advanced Location Rules section below and select your created page. Now, go to the page. You can see all the created custom fields here. Just input data for each plan. Since we have two clonable groups for the feature and plan, but Elementor does not support directly displaying data from them on a template, we should create skins for them first. Go to Template, Theme Builder. There will be the Meta Box Group Skin menu. Click on it and add a new skin. I am creating skin for the group of the features. In the Preview Settings section, choose Page and select the Pricing Table page. Now add a section element to cover the feature. I want to display the features like this. At the beginning of the feature content, I put an icon. So, choose the suitable layout for this content. Next, just add some elements to this skin. In the first column, add an icon element. Then, select the icon from the library. For the remaining column, add a text element. Since the data is saved in custom fields created with Meta Box, click the Dynamic Tags button here. Choose Meta Box field in the Post section. Then, choose the name of the field you want to get data from. In my case, it's Item. The data will be displayed with the content you input. For the skin of the plan, do the same. Back to the Meta Box Group Skin screen, add a new skin for it. Also, add a section to cover the plan. The concept here is we'll add the suitable elements, then use the Dynamic Tags button to get data for the element from Meta Box custom fields. First, for the plan name, add a heading element. Click on this icon and select the Meta Box field, then choose the right field to get data from. To display the price, add a text editor element. There is a slight difference for the feature. We've had a skin for it. Therefore, add the Meta Box Group element to get the data from that skin. The feature is a subgroup in the plan group. You should set the type of the element as subgroup. Then, choose the group name and the created skin for the feature. Immediately, all the features along with the content and layout displayed as we said before. The last one is the button. Add a button element. Also, use the dynamic tags to get data for the button's label and its URL. After getting and displaying all the data, we need to set the location of the template. Here I want to determine the template in the pricing table page, so the condition will be like this. Edit the page you created for the pricing table with Elementor. Add a section to cover the page. If you want to have any additional content, just add a reasonable element. For demonstration purposes, I only display plans without any other content. The plan information is saved in the clonable group and get in the skin in the previous step, so just add a Meta Box group element. Set the group as the name of the plan group and select the corresponding skin. All the plans along with their information displayed well. This is the pricing table page on the front end, but it needs to be modified for more beautiful and attractive. So, let's move to the next step. To change the look of the page, we'll style each skin on it, then the page template will be updated with the new appearance. Edit the created skins one by one. Just go to the Style tab and Advanced tab of each element and change the settings as you want. Do the same with the skin of the plan. Now, our page is updated, but it's not the end. Besides the information about pricing, I also want to highlight the best-selling and recommended plan. Back to the skin of the plan. Move to the Advanced tab. I'm creating a class. It will be used to style for highlights later. Then, in the Custom CSS tab, add some code like this. This is the class we created for the plan. This is to regulate which clone of the group will be emphasized. Here, it's the second. You also can zoom the spotlight plan in to attract attention. That's done. And this is the final look of the pricing table page. Let's create your own pricing table and share the results with us. You can explore other videos on this channel for tutorials and tips to build your website. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more tutorials. Bye!